liver.
Oh boy, his girlfriend said the surgery went smoothly and he is recovering well at UVA Hospital. Way to go, Robert. We're thinking of you.
Now, your WUSA 9 weather forecast, sponsored by Cox.
All right, Chester Lampkin back here with me now.
Yes.
And last couple of weekends, you've been talking about rain a lot.
I have, and I have more to talk about this upcoming week. Another 1, maybe 2 inches of rain later this week.
Okay.
Want to see some snow, though?
I'll look at this.
You'll look.
Sure, why not?
It's not in D.C. or in the metro, but this is what we saw
I'll look
earlier
at it.
today. This one coming from Howard Bernstein. Yeah, you've heard of him. He's one of our meteorologists, longtime morning meteorologist, Howard
That's
Bernstein.
what it's supposed to look like.
Yeah,
you
and
know?
he's showing us the snow that he saw up in western Maryland. I believe he caught this one up towards the Frederick area, but it would have been a little further west, maybe up towards Clarksburg. No, he lives out in the Clarksburg area, but further west of Frederick. A little further west up towards Frostburg, places like that. And this is what it looks like, too, on that similar stretch here of I-66 as you head west out of town. You can see we do have snow out there showing up here on, that was, my apologies, I-68. You can see snow showing up here on the radar. Here's Winchester here out into West Virginia, and you can see we got snow stretching from West Virginia down to parts of Virginia as well, out in the Winchester area, down through the Shenandoah Valley. Snow also falling up into Hagerstown at this hour in western Maryland. So, yeah, west of Frederick, up into Maryland, parts of West Virginia in the Panhandle, and on the other side of the ridges, the mountains there into the Shenandoah Valley, some light snow falling. Even saw a few snow showers out into the Leesburg area this evening, and 1 or 2 may make it as far east as Frederick and maybe even parts of Montgomery and other parts of Loudoun County. But I think for the most part, it's a quiet night for the rest of us here. DC Metro won't see much, if anything at all. And we'll call it a clear and quiet night across the area. Sunshine galore, plenty of it into Metro DC heading into your Sunday. Temperatures are going to climb back into the 40s to nearly 50 degrees tomorrow. Yes, we are back to above average temperatures after 1 day near normal. What a strange winter we're having. Colder air mass is in place. It's not super cold, but it's across parts of the East Coast. This warm air to the south and west eventually gets bubbled towards the eastern and northeastern part of the country, right into the mid-Atlantic. So we'll be mild as we head into the Wednesday time period. That's also going to draw the jet stream down south to the south and west. Why is this important? Well, another storm develops. It's going to pull up some moisture from the Gulf of Mexico and slide into our part of the DMV. So yes, we are looking at more rain into the next several days and above average temperatures. This is what it looks like on the 5-day forecast. You can see numbers will be in the low 50s tomorrow, mid-upper 50s Monday and Tuesday. A little cooler on Wednesday, then back to the 50s on Thursday. And aside from some mountain snow, as you're seeing right here across western Maryland, the panhandle of West Virginia and western parts of Virginia tonight, there's not much snow in this forecast next 7 days. Beyond that, there isn't much showing up here on the Futurecast. Here's Sunday morning. You're heading out for church, brunch. You're fine. Sunday afternoon, evening plans, a few more clouds around, but we're still dry. And then it's rain. Yeah, it's all rain for Monday as a warmer air mass sits in place across the DMV. Very little chance for snow, even in the mountains. So, yeah, we're going to have rain around Monday afternoon, Monday night into Tuesday morning. We'll get a dry period Tuesday afternoon, Tuesday night, and then more rain heading into Wednesday and Thursday as well, before this clears away heading into Thursday afternoon and Friday, and dry air does roll our way. How much rain do we get? Again, computers. This is a computer estimate, but it's suggesting 1 to 2 inches of rain across the area. Here's your 7-day forecast. Temperatures mild next few days. A little cooler Wednesday, but it's still quite warm. And rain chances through Thursday. There's some cold. Friday and Saturday, highs only in the 30s, Lorenzo.
There's winter. All right, thank you, Chester. All right, football is back. Coming up in sports, the DC Defenders make their debut in front of a packed stadium. We'll be right back.
What makes Cox panoramic Wi-Fi so fast?
Its new smart technology knows all the right moves.
To keep all your devices running fast. Come on!
All at the same time. Yeah!
You can really see the difference.
WUSA!
Hey, the more devices you have, the smarter your Wi-Fi needs to be.
And there's no smarter Wi-Fi than Cox Panoramic Wi-Fi.
We're all good together.
Gotta get up, DC! Yeah! Got a good thing going and I'm loving what's ahead of me. Get up, DC! Get up! Nobody does it better with
Get Up DC, weekday morning starting at 4:25 only on